Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to do this vertically. Yeah, okay. Bear with me as I adjust recording this vertically. Add some lights. I'm using can you see the light? Sorry, super glare lah, but I'm trying to adjust the light, and it is, yeah, sorry man, it's not exactly perfect because you can see the glare here. I hate seeing the glare lah. Maybe I should raise up. Yeah, maybe. Let's try this. I will cheat a little bit and raise up the back. Whoa. Yeah, everything fall lah. But it will not be straight, so a bit singy. Can you see? Can everybody see? Yeah, the lines. Adjust. Sorry, I'm still adjusting. Does that make sense? Yeah? Does that make sense at all? Okay. You see the toys behind lah. I'm still trying to make this thingy a little bit like this. Yeah, maybe like this can hide. Give me a moment. Okay, let me adjust. Okay, does it make sense? This makes more sense now, doesn't it? Thank you for bearing me. Hi, Eldred. Thank you for watching this nonsense of mine, trying out. Stay at home, want to play with video, then like that lah, the result. Yeah. Okay, trying to hide the light. This is the light. So I shift the camera sikit. Sikit only, huh? Okay, can. Yo. Okay, can. Let's try this now. Unboxing Little Voyagers from Coarse. Coarse toys produced by POPMART. I really wanted the Little Voyagers for the longest time. This is what I might get. 6 figures here. There are 2 series that came out in this this lineup. One is Sweet Dreams Ignited, which is the glow-in-the-dark figures, and another one which I forget because I slacked lah. But there are 2 series with a total of 12 figures to be had. That means 6 for each set, for each series. And there's a number, I think there's a chase. I'm not sure if there's a chase. I'm sure there is a chase in every 6 figures, right? I mean, not one in every 6, but every set lineup of 6. I might be wrong. I'm known to be wrong. I'm not perfect. Yeah, I love the hologram stickers. Hologram stickers is a bit tricky nowadays because people who are willing to spend money to bootleg, they can print hologram stickers also now. And it's tricky, I feel, because I've not tried it, neither have I compared it. But I won't know what's the legit hologram sticker versus a fake hologram sticker lah. So if something is like a bit of hologrammy, then it's like, oh, it's legit. But frankly, I don't know. But it's not about me. It's about the toy. And we will open up Little Voyagers from POPMART. Thank you, POPMART, for making my dreams come true lah. You have to rip this open lah. Don't have to cut. Heartbreak ah. Ayo. Wow, heartbreaks, yeah. Have to tear a box open. I mean, I want to see inside, but I want to keep the box also lah. Yeah, I'm like that lah. I'm the sort that keeps the box. Okay, open up. Wow, that's a lot of stuff going in. Let me pour them all out so you can see. Wow, that's a lot of stuff, man. I like my blind boxes with a lot of stuff because I'm a greedy bugger lah. Wow, silicone gel. Keep away from children. You should. Nice booklet. I didn't know there was a booklet. Very nice. Ayo. Hey, hi Marin. The only way, let's do toys like this, unboxing toys. You can hear my voice, see me excited. Or my voice, hear my voice excited, not see me excited. I'm not gonna show my face. I'm crazy lah. Coarse always with their stories. They always have a lot of stories. And the cool bit is they have a Chinese translation of their story, which to me is a nice way to share their lore, because it's not just about a toy. I love it when it's not just about a toy. Come on, it's a piece of plastic, colored plastic. So anything that makes it more alive than it should, it's all good by me. All good. Put the story aside. I'm not going to read the story to you myself. This is the card, the art card that comes with it. Nice lah. Nice lah. Hey Marin. Sorry, at the same time I'm trying to read. Yeah, must find a way to put up a taller stand. Now I'm putting it on the ground. The phone is on the ground, so I can't really read. Then with my eyesight, koyak lah. Anyway, look at the card. Cute lah. Reminds me of Fabrics when they have a art card that come together with each blind box figure. Raccoon. Yeah, I just realized this gave away what is inside the blind bag. Yeah, sorry, I'm a bit dense lah. First time doing live unboxing. No, second time. First time was my Gitutama Zodiac. So alamak, picture lobang. I should have seen this later lah. Never mind. Yo, what's this? Continue. Open up. POPMART, make something fun. Fun lah, bro. Happening lah. Please dispose of waste properly. Well done. I mean, very frankly, I never look at sealed bags lah. Whenever we open stuff like this, we just open the bag. You don't see what's inside. And I know what's inside already. I want to pretend also cannot. Oh my gosh. This is a huge piece lah. Adorable lah. Come on. Well done, POPMART. Well done, Coarse. I don't have a lot of Coarse toys. So having this is happening lah. Ayo. You don't see the joy in my face. And probably you will not see my face that much. No articulation. I thought the tail turning would be nice, but no need lah. No need. See the pantat lah. See the bumps. Coarse, POPMART. Yeah. Okay lah. Shouldn't say pantat. I'll say whatever I want lah. It's my unboxing. All good. This is a glow in the dark raccoon from Coarse. From the Little Voyagers set collaboration with POPMART. Yeah, I talk so much I forgot to do a turnaround. So this dude's supposed to be taking a nap, as you can see. If imagine here got bubble, sleep bubble. I wonder if it will glow in the dark with just a short lighting here. Okay, I'm going to take the light away. Yeah, no difference lah. I'll do it next time. I'll probably take a photo after exposing this to light and Instagram it and think of somehow how to put this video onto YouTube. The format will be a bit koyak because of the vertical format lah. So I'm still struggling with the vertical format versus horizontal, or rather landscape. I'm old school like that lah. Don't blame me, huh? Too many years of doing this lah. Anyway, thank you for watching my unboxing. This is my only Little Voyagers Coarse blind box to unbox lah. Of course, I wish I had more. Of course, I wish I had all of it, but you know, wishes don't necessarily come in full. Nevertheless, thank you for your likes. Now I'm trying to look at the feedback. Hey, Nada. Thanks, Marin. Hey, Joseph. Anyway, I'll see what I can do next time. Maybe I'll find a way I can interact with readers and be able to read my own feedback. Yeah, probably what I'll do is I'll raise the camera to a degree like this where I can, I'll still see the light behind here. Yeah, here. I still see the light reflection because it's gone against my glass showcase, which is very dusty. I know lah, I'll do it better lah. And over here is my screen, my computer screen. that. Now I know why suddenly the screen went back, because this was supposed to illuminate. Does it make sense? This computer screen, desktop, was supposed to illuminate. So I didn't notice it when it went blank just now. Yeah, I have to reconfigure it. So any tips would be great. I'll find a way to make it work next time lah. So I can show you my toys. I mean, I don't have a whole lot of toys, but I like to be able to. Hey, hi Joseph. I like to be able to share. In regardless of these days of the virus, I think that is one of the very few ways I feel that we can share our joy of toys together. Yeah? I'll leave this to you now. I'm going to configure out another way to present or share with you my unboxings next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.